Hello everyone, this is Kashif here and you are watching my channel Switch to ICT World. In today's video, I will be discussing AIPRM for ChatGPT. Are you tired of constantly struggling to come up with new content ideas for your website, marketing campaigns, or social media posts? Do you wish there was a way to streamline the process and save time? Look no further than AIPRM for ChatGPT. AIPRM for ChatGPT is a powerful tool that adds a list of curated prompt templates for various topics such as SEO, SaaS, marketing, and more to ChatGPT, a language model created by OpenAI. With just one click, you can access these templates and generate new content ideas within seconds. But that's not all. AIPRM for ChatGPT also includes countermeasures to protect against bad code from conflicting extensions, ensuring a smooth and safe experience for users. And the best part? It's completely free to use. The AIPRM extension can be easily installed as a browser extension, making it the ultimate time saver for ChatGPT users. Don't miss out on this productivity boost and try AIPRM for ChatGPT today. So, if you're looking for a tool to help you generate new content ideas quickly and efficiently, AIPRM for ChatGPT is the way to go. With its curated prompt templates and protective measures, you can save time and focus on what really matters, creating high-quality content for your audience. So why wait? Install AIPRM for ChatGPT now and take your content creation game to the next level. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.